Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here, Reboot Recovery. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about your beliefs and how your beliefs are keeping you addicted to pornography and what you need to do in order to change your beliefs so that you can take action, take back control of your life, reboot, rewire your brain, become the man that you were created to be. But before we jump into today's video, guys, let me remind you who we are and what we do here. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Reboot Recovery. And it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways. First off, right here on the Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, if you guys are in the early stage of trying to identify all the ways in which porn has had a negative impact on your life and are curious about what life can look like for you once you've been able to remove this destructive habit out of your life, make sure to download our free ebook. It's the 7-step guide to living life without porn, where I walk you through the exact process and system that you use with your students and clients here at Rebuild Recovery, and how to identify all those ways in which porn is negatively impacting your life. How to then take that and build a proactive plan to get you out of the depths of this addiction and step into a life that you were created to live. But most importantly, what do you need to do to hold yourself accountable? What do you need to do to build up the discipline, build up the willpower, and actually execute upon this plan every single day so that you can, in fact, remove porn from your life for good, not just for the short term, but for good, and become the man that you were created to be. So that's the 7-step guide to living life without porn. I'm going to link it down there in the first pinned comment below. So after today's video, guys, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to visit that page and download the book. But let's get back to today's video, guys. Your beliefs. And how are your beliefs keeping you addicted to pornography? And what do you need to do in order to change your beliefs around your behavior, in order to change your beliefs around yourself, in order to change your beliefs so that you can quit porn for good and take back control of your life? See, the first thing we need to realize is every action that we take, every word that we say, every step in whatever direction, whether it's moving towards freedom or moving back to pornography, every single one of those behaviors is driven by our beliefs. And our beliefs are our thoughts in action. Our beliefs are our thoughts in motion. So we may have the thought appear of, oh, I can never quit pornography. I'm just too hooked on this. I've done too much harm to myself. It's ruined my life. You can have that thought, but by voicing it, by expressing that thought, you're now instilling it as one of your beliefs. If you say to yourself, and this was something that Satya Sam on the podcast just shared this past week when I interviewed him, if you tell yourself, every time I see a girl, every time I see an attractive, beautiful woman, it leads me, it's a trigger for me to go back and look at pornography. Well, brother, that's your beliefs about yourself. And you have to start by changing those beliefs. And I think the first belief that we need to change is pornography has not ruined our lives. It may potentially, if you don't get the behavior under control, it may potentially have detrimental impact. It may potentially have truly destructive effects on your life. But at this point in time, if you're watching these videos, if you're consuming this content, if you're contemplating taking change, it has not ruined it yet, because you're alive today. You have an opportunity to change your life starting this moment and continue to move forward in life. So we have to realize, A, that it has not ruined our life yet. Secondly, it's not a matter of trying. Trying is a belief system. I'm going to try. Trying is setting yourself up for failure. So you have to make the decision, 100% ingrain it into your biology, ingrain it and hardwired into who you are, that it doesn't matter what I've done in the past. It doesn't matter how triggered I am. It starts with our beliefs about ourselves. And I get it. So many of us have tried and failed and tried and failed. We go 30 days and slip and relapse. We go 7 days and slip and relapse. So you're struggling with confidence. You're struggling with actually belief in yourself. But it's one of the 7 steps in the guide. If you haven't read the 7-step guide yet, pick it up, because I talk about how to have belief in yourself. Because more than anything, you believing that you can achieve this, you believing that you can make this happen, you believing that you can truly find freedom from pornography is the most important step in you succeeding in this endeavor. It's the most important step in you truly removing this habit out of your life for good. So it's got to start with our words and our actions that we take beyond our thoughts. So the thought can appear, it'd be really good to look at pornography right now. Man, she's absolutely incredibly gorgeous, and she reminds me of this scene, and let me go back and watch that. You can have that thought, but taking that thought and putting it into action, taking that thought and expressing it through words is what's hardwiring and ingraining your beliefs. And your beliefs are what's going to control your behaviors from this point forward. So if you truly want to find freedom, if you truly want to step out of the life that you're living right now, and you truly want to quit porn for good, become the man that you were created to be, take a hard look at the beliefs that you have about yourself, take a hard look at the words that you speak to and about yourself, and take a hard look at the actions that you take on a daily basis, because your actions are a direct result of the beliefs that you have about yourself. So if you're somebody of taking action, if you're somebody of doing things that they say they're going to do, look at where you're not doing and where you're not showing up in your life right now. This small little shift in your perspective, this small little shift in how you view your own life will make massive difference in your ability to A, quit porn for good, B, reboot, rewire your brain, and C, become the man that you were created to be. Really hope this video helped you guys. Really hope it spoke to you. If it did, do these two things before. Drop us a comment down there below. Like I've been telling you guys over the past few weeks, comments are a massive benefit to this channel. We're trying to grow this. We're trying to get these videos in front of more people. We need your help. We need your contribution. So like the video, comment down there below your biggest takeaway and what you're going to do today, starting today, to take back control of your life. And like I said at the beginning, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turns notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. But Frank Rich from Reboot Recovery, see you guys on the other side.